Oh, February is portion control month, so you better believe we're gonna have a chat about the scale. We're gonna have the chat about the scale right now. That scale of yours that you step on and decide whether you're gonna have a good day or a bad day based on the number, it is a liar. It lies to you. It is not the greatest tool to measure your progress of body fat going up or down. It just tells you your weight. That could be water weight, lean body mass, bone and muscle and all that stuff. And of course, body fat is part of that. You can go up and down in body fat, but you don't know. It's not going to tell you if you're losing fat or if you're losing water weight or if you're losing muscle and bone. And the thing about portion control, if you're going on these fad diets or really trying to cut down on your foods altogether, you could be losing water weight really quickly. So you're just dehydrated. You could be losing muscle and bone, which a lot of times we do, especially if we're not exercising. And of course, you might lose some body fat along the way, but it is a poor tool, especially if it's playing with your psyche. So I always say throw the scale away, or at least don't use it, or at least don't use it by itself, because it is a terrible thing. And most of my clients that come to see me, they already have a kind of a mental gap around using the scale that actually doesn't serve them. It actually just makes them feel worse about themselves because you've tied your self-value into it. So for the month of February with portion control, if you want to, take some progress or think about progress that you're making in terms of your waistline, I suggest that you throw away the scale and think about more of how your jeans fit, your favorite pair of jeans, or a waist measurement, or better yet, you can take girth measurements around your chest, waist, and hips. And then you can measure that if you like, because that's a much better indication whether you're losing body fat. Because body fat is about the size of 2 fists, where a pound of muscle is a size of half a fist. So same weight, different sizes. So you can make a lot of change there without even seeing anything different on the scale. So that's why I don't like the scale. Conversely, if you just want to lose weight, go to your butcher, have them chop off your leg, and I guarantee you step on the scale, you will be pounds lighter. So don't worry about the scale so much, especially if it plays with your mind, if it's something that makes you happy or sad, because now you're riding waves of high emotions with low emotions without having the right information for the type of progress, the type of results that you're actually looking for. Because most people, when they say weight loss, what they really mean is, I want a slimmer waistline, I want to lose inches, and I want to do it for the rest of my life. I want to have this result for the rest of my life. I don't want to just do some sort of fad thing, get quick results, only to know that I'm going to rebound, after 12 weeks or after 16 weeks, or by the end of the year, I'm 5 pounds heavier, even though I did this really crazy thing. I rather help people get sustainable results. So throw away that scale if it's not serving you, and let's focus on measurements that are much better. And of course, there's a lot of other great measurements as well, and I can talk about those in future videos, but throw away the scale if it's not serving you. Have a great day, everyone.